Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, cruise control, universal garage door opener, power windows, fog lights, power brakes, child safety locks, trip odometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.